This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rossway. Oversized corner lot. Move-in ready 3/2 halves in beautiful Collier Club. This Southern classic built home is the Hampton A floor plan. Open concept west great room and eat-in kitchen. Sliding glass doors open to large screen porch. Neutral tile throughout west carpet in bedrooms. Plantation shutters, granite counters and stainless appliances. Walking distance to Sebastian Municipal Golf Course. For more information, review the details below or contact Rossway at 772-774-4481.